Hi, welcome to the channel once again. In our last video, we have learned the sum and SUMIF functions. If you haven't watched them, I'll link them in the description down below, or you can find them in the I link in the top right corner. In this video, we will learn how the SUMIF function works. This function gives us the sum of a range if a certain set of criterias are true. Let us dive into an example and see how it works. This is the same financial sheet that we used in our last videos. All the columns are exactly the same as we had used earlier. In this example, we will try to get the total profit amount for the government and in Germany. Let us start by writing our formula at first. Now, if we look closely at the drop shadow in the formula bar, the first input we need to put is the range that we need for addition, which in this example would be C2 to C23. After that, we need to put the range of our first criteria, which in our example would be A2 to A23, followed by the criteria which is going to be government, as we are filtering the data for government in the section column. Time for our next criteria, which is going to be in the range B2 to B23, and we are going to filter out Germany over here. At this moment, we can say that we are done with our formula. Now let us check if we did it correctly or not. We can double check our formula by manually filtering out the criterias. If you want to add more criterias in the formula, you can do that. The syntax will be the same as shown earlier in the video. Hope this video helped you in understanding how the SUMIFS function works in Excel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.